Hi guys, it is Tuesday. I hope everyone's day is off to an amazing start. Thanks so much for stopping in today, guys. Today I am heading out. Well, I'm already out. I'm in the truck. I'm on my way to do a little shopping to a place that I don't think I've ever brought you guys along for. And it is because I don't go all that often myself. So today, guys, we are going to At Home. If you are not familiar with At Home, I liken At Home to a mix of an IKEA, a Home Goods, and a Hobby Lobby. It's like a huge warehouse filled with nothing but home decor. Every type of home decor you could think of. They have outdoor furnishings, they have seasonal furnishings, Christmas trees, things like that. So I'm gonna bring you guys along, and joining me today is this guy right here, the property brother, Eric. Throw up your wide peace sign. Eric has been missing in action lately, so he is going to accompany me today. Sorry about all these bumps, guys, but yeah. So we're on our way to At Home, and I'll see you guys there in a little bit. Winter Wonderland.
I'm about as tall as
I want to say At Home has the largest assortment of Christmas trees of any stores we've been to here in Atlanta. Eric just pointed out this one that rotates. That's nice. That's nice. I don't mind that.
And did you show them the rainbow tree?
Let's see. Oh, this one's nice, babe. Do you like this one with all the flocking? And these are really large balls on here too. Large, oh, maybe not balls, bulbs. Okay, where's the rainbow tree? Oh. And here's a rainbow tree, guys. Really pretty. That is so cute. Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening. Oh, this is really pretty. I wouldn't put this one outside. I would say this one is absolutely for indoors. This is a nice price on it too, $17.99. Babe, do you like this?
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, this wouldn't be for outside though. You guys like this wreath? This is a gold wreath. Now this I actually would put outside. I just love doing like the non-traditional wreath. This one is $19.99. That's not bad. But I think this would just look really pretty on the front door. You don't necessarily have to put, you know, the Christmas lights because it's going to twinkle on its own. I really like that. You like it, babe?
I do. Now you're gonna put reeds on
There's a lot of glitter fall out.
Are you gonna put reeds on the front gates?
I don't know yet. I don't know. Oh, this one's pretty too. This will be pretty for the gate.
Yeah.
That's nice. The magnolia leaves. It's 24.
First of all, this isn't even about clothes, so why are you walking like you're on the runway? She loves this hair, but she constantly complains about it being in the way.
Yeah.
Don't you? Yeah. But it's light, right? You said it's not heavy.
It's really light. It's really light.
Is it hot?
It just depends on the time of day. Right now, it's fine.
All right.
So guys, what are we looking for in At Home today? So I never did find those canisters that I was looking for when I went to IKEA. So I'm looking for some canisters for the kitchen, and What else? Oh, we need to get a comforter. They have a lot of comforters here too. So I didn't want to spend a whole lot of money. So I want to see if they have a comforter for the guest bedroom downstairs. Eric, what is that? Look at this dude. Now I'm over here standing in the Christmas section and he has wandered over into the Halloween section. But anyway, that is really neat though. Like, what would you do with that?
Scare kids that come up.
Oh, for trick-or-treating? What's that?
Like a birthday.
How much is that? How much is it, babe?
$35.
That's not bad. That's not bad. But as you can see, guys, like I said earlier, in here you have Halloween, you have Christmas, and fall all rolled into one, and I'm not complaining. You come here and it is like one-stop shopping. So but anyway, I'm not looking for a lot in here. We just have some time to kill today, so we're just in here wandering around and just happy that you guys could hang out with us today.
Bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey!
Here at home, they also have furniture. Guys, look at these really cute accent chairs. Okay, but what stands out is this gorgeous aqua teal. Let's see if they actually have the color on it. Yeah, they're calling it teal. The Braxton sofa in teal, $499.99. Eric, how does it feel?
It appears to be well made. I know you were just talking about the sofas at IKEA. I think, you know, they have this sofa on display. It looks really good.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
See, yeah, that was the other thing with these sofas at IKEA. They were on display, and I know that, you know, sometimes you'll sit on a sofa. Numerous people sit on sofas, and you know, they can get worn out a little bit. But this one right here, I think it speaks to the quality of this particular sofa. Even though it's on display, it looks just as good as the one that's up here.
I like the retro. I guess this is kind of the 60s kind of vibe. We got some more over there.
Sit on it again, babe. You said it was really comfortable?
Yes, it feels solid.
I wish I had a room to put this in. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I love, like you said, the retro vibe, and it's like a what is this? Maybe like a suede or velvet type texture.
Nice.
That's really nice.
I would not say it's kid friendly. I would get this, you know, with little ones, a bunch of little ones running around. But, you know, for a nice sitting area or somewhere where you don't have kids a lot running around, I think this works.
Yeah. For all the gray lovers in the house, they have one here in gray. It's a little bit different than the one in teal,
This one.
but I love it.
Yeah, you just gotta make sure this cushion goes back.
Yeah.
Why am I here working?
I don't know why you're working. Do you have a new job? We'll put the people's back, the back of it back. No, you lifted that up. Fix it.
Now it looks better.
Yeah, this is nice though. I love it. It's a good size. I like the legs on it. Really pretty. These would be great for a dining room to put at the head of the dining room table. These are really pretty. I like those. Oh, look at these teal ones over here, babe. Oh, these are so pretty. I like that green one up there too. Babe, do you like this one?
Yeah, I think.
I like that. Oh, that's nice.
I think, you know, you got to know how to decorate around something like that, right? You don't just buy that. That's a strong piece of furniture.
That's a strong piece of furniture right there. You got to know what you're doing.
I like this one too. This is similar to the color.
Oh, that is like the color in our living room. How much is that? $229. Not sure if you guys can see that, but this one is $229. I love the legs on it. I don't know, but babe, do you think these legs would bend? I don't know. You think?
Yeah, I mean, again, the display isn't. When you look at some of the displays of this, it makes you wonder a little bit. It is a bit inward a little bit. I mean, you could adjust it.
Right, but do you think it will hold up over time, though?
I don't think any of this furniture. I think all of this is grown-up furniture. This is grown folks in
With
your house.
no
You don't have
kids?
a lot of little ones.
Okay.
Now, this one behind you, I think you can wash that cover. So that's a good one if you got.
And that
ones.
kind of reminds me of the stuff at IKEA.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one does. See, I don't like that at all. That cow type of decor. You don't like it?
I do.
This would look cute in like an office space, but also in like a living room or family room too. I of course wouldn't do the entire room in this particular pattern, but as an accent piece it looked great.
And I like, you know, I'm having flashbacks. I'm a 70s baby, and this reminds me of like the furniture back in the day that you would see in the 70s.
Yeah. Also, if you are in the market for a headboard, you can come here to At Home and purchase your headboards also. Eric, do you like that one?
Yeah, I do. I like the nail heads.
Yeah, those nail heads are really pretty. I actually like this one though. I like that one.
Yeah.
It's a little bit more simple, but it still has, you know, some little details to it. I like that. I like it. I like this one here. They're not priced too bad, $179, and of course you'll need to get your mattress and, you know, foundation. They sell the mattresses and the foundations here also. So guys, they sell everything here but food. You just come here and just load your truck up, get everything you need. I think I have found a couple of canisters, but I need your help in choosing the one to take home. I'm gonna get a couple, but I want to pick the size first. So there's this one right here. All right, as you can see, I have Eric here helping me out. Hold that one up, babe. Okay, so this is the first one. I love the detail, little trees, little birds. Okay. And then there's this one right here. It's a little bit shorter than that one. It also has some really nice detail on there. Can't take the top off because it's in plastic. But which one would you guys get? All right, there's this one here and this one here. All right, there's a slight difference in the size and also a slight difference in color. Which one will you guys get? All right, I'm gonna get one of them. Let's see who is right. I'll show you guys either in a kitchen video or I'll show you when we get in the car. So which one did I choose? This one or this one? Those of you who are still in the market for the mirrored furniture, the mirrored pieces, they have some here on clearance. Looks like it's going to be an additional 25% off. These are some really cute pieces. All right, there's this one here. There's this unit here for your corner, $169 for that guy right there, $169. And then this one right here is $239. You guys like my Adidas? It's $169. I like that.
So I think I want this Black Panther lunchbox. What do you think? I like that. Or I could do Star Wars or Spider-Man here. So, do y'all remember the old school lunchboxes and thermoses? Like, do kids even do that anymore? I think I had a Scooby-Doo lunchbox and a Star Wars lunchbox, which would have probably been worth a lot of money had I kept them. But do kids still do that? Let us know in the comments. Do they still do the thermos thing and the lunchbox? Let us know in the comments. Man, she's looking goofy. What dance is that? No, not the old lady dances. You got a Millie Rock or something. That's not the Millie Rock, don't.
This was so much fun. I really enjoyed you hanging out with Eric and I today. There he is back there with the buggy. Really do appreciate it. Let me know if you guys have an at-home in your area. Let me know how you enjoy it. We really enjoy ours. Like I said, we don't get a chance to come out here all that much because it is a little bit far away, but I enjoyed it today. Thanks so much for hanging out with us today, guys. Really do appreciate it, and we will see you all in the next video. The sun is so bright. Bye, guys.